Hello, I'm Emily, owner and creator at Beaded Beadwork. If you are here, that means that you are interested in learning the ins and outs of beading and creating beadwork. When I first started 3 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing. We had just moved to a remote ranch in West Texas. I was previously a teacher and it was just too far for me to drive back and forth to town every day. I also had a baby at home that I did not want to put in daycare. So I needed to do something from home that would make money, and beading was something that I was very interested in. I had ordered my husband a belt about 5 years prior to that and was just consumed with this girl's beadwork and was just so interested in it. I had no idea what I was doing when I first started, no clue. I got on YouTube, here we are, and I found a few videos that kind of taught me how to bead on a loom, just kind of walked me through the process. I ordered a kit that I'll tell you about in a later video when I go over materials, and I just went from there. I didn't follow a pattern. I didn't have the bead tool that I use now, like it's on a computer, all my patterns. I had no clue what I was doing. So I've wanted to make this channel for, I don't know, a year and a half now. And I wanted to create something that I wish I would have had access to when I first started beading. I get asked probably weekly or every other week by friends and family asking if I can teach them how to bead, and I don't have the time to individually go to people's houses or have them come to my house to teach them, step by step how to bead. So I wanted to put something together that I could share with friends and family, and thought that I would extend it out to YouTube as well. So this channel is going to take you through the process of beading, all the ins and outs. I'm going to start, my next video will be over all the materials that you need. Then I'll go through stringing a loom, starting a bead strip, finishing a bead strip, adding a string in the middle of your projects, how to make your projects nice and tight and straight, and just beading 101 in general. I'm really excited about this. It's, like I said, it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and it's something that just is going to make beading a lot easier for you if you're just starting out. If this is something that you're interested in, stick around, go ahead and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. This is my first video, so I don't have any subscribers, I don't have any likes or anything like that. But if you want to stay up to date with the series that I'm going to be doing, that's the way that you can follow me. Also, I'm on Instagram. It's Beaded Beadwork, and I put up so much content over there, pretty much everything that I'm working on. My leather partner, Mile High Supply, hey Justine, also has an Instagram page, so be sure to follow her as well. This channel is going to be geared towards more like Western beading. I do a lot of beaded belts, caps, gunslings, guitar straps, dog collars, things like that, halters, and things of that sort. So if you're here, I hope that I can help you. I hope that you learned something from these, and I hope that you stick around. Thanks for watching.